Take 2 radish and cut the edges. Peel the skins of the radish. Grate them. Remove the excess water. Add 1 cup of atta, half teaspoon of salt. Mix them. Add water little by little according to the consistency. And your dough is ready. Switch on your stove and place your kadai. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Add your grated radish. Smash it down and mix them for a couple of minutes. Add half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. Add half teaspoon of Jeera powder. Half teaspoon of Garam masala and mix them. Add Jeera powder. Add salt to taste. Mix them. Roll your dough and make them into balls. Flatten up your dough. Add your radish filling. Roll it. Add atta on top of it so that it doesn't stick. Switch on your stove and place your tawa. Add your dough filled with radish filling. Flip them for a couple of times. Add oil. Spread it. Repeat the same process. To curd, add 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder and chaat masala if you like. Mix them. And there you go, your paratha is now ready. You eat it with a side of pickle. It will be amazing. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.